Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the essentials so fixes work. First, install pending Windows updates and restart. This resolves many store conflicts. Make sure your system time and region match your Microsoft account because mismatch blocks authentication. Sign into the same Microsoft account used for the store. Once done, run the network troubleshooter and temporarily disable VPN or proxy. Connectivity issues often stop the store from loading, so rule those out now before deeper fixes. You now perform targeted repairs to restore store functionality. First, open app settings and choose Repair. If problems persist, use Reset, which clears cache safely. Next, run WS Reset, exe to rebuild the store cache. This often fixes loading errors. Make sure the store app itself is updated via the library. If the issue continues, open PowerShell as administrator and re-register the store package. This reinstalls the app manifest, resolving corrupted app registrations, and you finish by verifying supporting services and user profile health. Ensure Windows Update, bits, and the store service are running. Stopped services block downloads and sign-ins. If problems persist, create a new local admin account and test the store there. A working store points to profile corruption. Finally, run SFC and DISM to repair system files. If you still see errors, note exact error codes and messages. They guide the next troubleshooting step and speed targeted solutions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.